Hi, welcome to the Unit 5 Moles Review. This assignment is designed to give you an opportunity to review some of the basic and key information from the Unit 5 on moles, where you learned 4 different types of equations and how to apply them to solve for moles or different amounts of substances. So the instructions are as follows. On the next slide, you will see a mole map, and on that mole map, you need to arrange the purple equation cards along the appropriate black arrow and the teal example cards in the appropriate gray box. When you're done, you then will submit. So let's take a look at what it looks like here. So here you have your mole map, right? And it's not in the same exact order as the mole map that we've been using in class. So you're really going to have to read the mole map to figure out what goes where. These are your equation cards. What you'll do with the cards is you'll click and drag them onto a black arrow that is the appropriate black arrow. Now remember, in the mole map in the center you have moles, and on the ends you have the other types of amounts of substances. So for example, for this first equation here, PV equals nRT, where P is pressure, V is volume, N your moles, and R is the gas constant, and T is temperature, you want to find, well, where would I use this equation when I'm converting from moles to mass? If you think that's when you would use it, you would put that purple box there. Or do you think you would use it when you go from moles to number of atoms or molecules, right? So, and I'm not saying that that's the correct answer, but I'm just saying that that's what you would do. Then for the examples, which are in these teal boxes, you would read the problem, the example problem, and again, you would figure out, well, for this problem, what type of mole conversion am I using? Am I going from moles to mass? If you think, or mass to moles, if you think you're doing this type of conversion, you would move the teal box there. I just want to show you just quickly what this looks like. So for the equation cards, you would click and drag. Like let's say I think, oh, this first one goes between mass and moles. I'll just click and drag it here. And let's say I think, oh, this first one goes for number of atoms or molecules, I would click and drag the example there. That's all you're doing for this activity. Final thing I want you to note is, because you can use this sort of as a resource for you when you are doing mole problems, is inside the yellow boxes above each of the amounts on the end, I have put some key information that we have covered in relation to that topic. So for example, I put what Avogadro's number is. Here above gas, I put the values for the gas constant, how to convert from Kelvin to degrees Celsius, etc. So I would take a moment to just sort of read through that as well as a quick review. So that's all you need to do for this. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure you submit it in the end to get your points, and have a quality day.